Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I showed my students how difference in pressure can lead to implode things like the famous Ocean Gate submarine disaster. First, one of students sprayed deodorant into the hard plastic bottle. And then one of my students fired the deodorant. And then I covered the bottle with my hand, not letting outside air go into the bottle. And suddenly the bottle started to implode because of high pressure outside and low pressure inside. And due to pressure difference, a vacuum created and the bottle got stuck to my hand and I was able to lift it without any support. That's it from today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.